There are many versions of how to plant a tree. If you do exactly as we say, you will have great success. Dig a hole twice as big as the pot or root ball you're going to plant. Make sure the hole is 6 inches deeper than the depth of the pot or root ball. Your backfill media should be a mixture of 1/3 topsoil, 1/3 peat moss, and 1/3 compost or manure. Also, mix in bone meal. Place 4 to 6 inches of this medium in the bottom of the hole. Pack it down with your feet with the full weight of your body. Remove the plant from the pot. With your fingers, scratch off the loose layer on top of the root ball into the hole. Take a knife and slice down the sides every 3 inches to cut circling roots. Also, do this at the bottom of the root ball to get rid of that root mass there. Place the plant in the middle of the hole, ensuring the finished depth is 1 inch lower than the soil area around the tree. Backfill in 6-inch layers, packing with your feet with the full weight of your body. When you've finished, you should cover the root ball with 1 inch of the backfill mix. Dig a water well around the tree to hold water and deep water the plant, filling the water well at least 2 times.